8 gardening tips for growing delicious tomatillos. Monitor and manage common pests. Tomatillos can attract pests like aphids, flea beetles, and cutworms, damaging leaves and young stems. Inspect weekly, remove pests manually, and encourage predatory insects with companion flowers to maintain a balanced ecosystem. Start seeds indoors early. Sow tomatillo seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, ensuring warmth and proper lighting. Use bright light to prevent leggy growth, and transplant sturdy seedlings for a successful garden transition. Choose a sunny, warm site. Tomatillos thrive in full sun and temperatures above 65 degrees Fahrenheit, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light. Choose a sunny spot to ensure healthy growth. Provide adequate spacing for airflow. Space tomatillo plants 2 to 3 feet apart in rows 3 to 4 feet apart to improve airflow, reduce disease, and allow room for beneficial ground covers like creeping thyme to support predatory insects. Feed with balanced, low-nitrogen fertilizers. Use balanced 5-10-10 fertilizers for tomatillos to avoid excessive foliage. Apply at the planting and fruiting stages for strong roots and abundant blooms. Prepare fertile, well-draining soil. Tomatillos thrive in loose, loamy soil with 60% native soil, 20% compost, and 20% coarse sand or perlite, ensuring nutrients, drainage, and aeration. Attract natural pollinators. Attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies by planting native wildflowers and providing water sources enhances tomatillo fruiting, as they require cross-pollination. Use supports or cages. Install sturdy tomato cages for tomatillo plants to prevent sprawling, improve airflow, and ease harvesting. Secure stems with soft ties, keeping fruit off the ground and aiding pest control.